Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here, and happy Sunday. I would be lying if I said good morning because it is no longer morning, but today's video is going to be my Sunday routine. As you guys saw last night, I had like a nice luxurious bath. I love pampering myself like that. Obviously, my baths are not normally like that, but I had so much fun filming that scene. It was so fun to do. We've never really done a bath scene like that, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that intro. And I did actually use like the shampoo, the conditioner, and the hair mask from OGX, and if you guys can tell already, the video is sponsored by them. I'm super excited because their Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo, conditioner, and like the whole collection is turning 10 years old. It's their 10th anniversary, which is so cool. So we'll talk about that in a sec. Today's video is going to be super fun. I thought it'd be kind of fun and casual, other than the intro, to just take you guys along on a typical Sunday, do some cleaning, do some relaxing, do some pampering. And I did get ready, but I am going to do my hair as well. So walking you guys through this morning, I woke up, got myself ready, did my makeup, had some coffee, had some breakfast, and I did make our bed. I kind of alternate weeks on washing our sheets, but I try my best to wash our pillowcases every single week. This is so important to just keep up your face hygiene, help with breakouts, which I'm currently dealing with, and it's just a nice, clean, fresh thing to do if you're not washing all of your sheets. Highly recommend washing your pillowcases. So once I took the pillowcases off, I just made the bed and kind of hid the pillows that didn't have pillowcases on them underneath, and kind of fluffed up our decor pillows. I used my Chom Chom to remove cat hair because cat hair is everywhere. After that, I kind of just tidied up my closet. It's one of those areas of my home that gets so messy so quickly, and usually on the weekends I do try and do laundry, so I just had a few things that were hanging to dry to put away, so that's what I did. And that pretty well brings us up to now, the present time. So I have my curling one on, and I have my smallest attachment, and I just section off my hair into two different parts. And I have freshly cleaned hair because, as you guys saw, I took a bath last night and I did like my full pamper routine, and I used the Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo and conditioner by OGX. This is a great strengthening, repairing, hydrating shampoo and conditioner duo. I love this, and you guys, this is like the OGX products. I'm sure you guys have all seen it a million times in the store, but did you know that they have been around for 10 years, which is so crazy. I feel like I totally remember being in Walmart 10 years ago and noticing the bottles, and also just like having them pop up everywhere. I feel like everyone on YouTube was using them, trying them, and just like they kind of took the hair care world by storm when these products were introduced. Let me know if you guys feel the same, because I feel like when I first started seeing them, I saw them everywhere. And for good reason, because they're really nice and they smell delicious. Some fun little facts for you guys. OGX actually was the first mass hair care brand to have Argan Oil of Morocco as a primary ingredient, which was so cool because I feel like it's in so many products now because it's so hydrating, but they were the first ones. And because of that, the Argan Oil of Morocco collection is OGX's biggest franchise. It's sold in 40 countries, and already this year they've sold over 60 million units, which is insane. So there's a good reason these products are so popular and you see them everywhere, because they're so good. And honestly, if you guys haven't used them or like smelt them yet, you really should try them out because they're like cult favorites. Also too, they don't just have shampoo and conditioner. As you guys saw, I use the hair mask, which is really great. That's been a product that's been around for a while, and I really like incorporating that. Also because it only takes 3 to 5 minutes in the shower, so you can do it pretty quickly and it hydrates your hair so nicely. But they also have a couple other products. For one, I love the dry shampoo of this line. It smells exactly like the shampoo and conditioner, and it smells so good and works really well. They also have the Argan Oil Morocco Multi-Benefit Hairspray, and so this is what I'm going to use right now. This is extra strength, shine, and revitalizing, and the sprayers on these are so nice, and honestly they just smell so good. So I'm done the first layer of curls, so I'm going to give this a quick spray. So nice. And then also they have this new product. This is new to me. I've only tried it a couple times, but I'm very excited about it. This is their Argan Oil Morocco Dry Oil Shine Mist. And I have been looking for something for days when my hair just needs a little bit of shine. I mean, I'm due for a color. My roots are growing in. And so anything that's gonna like vavoom my hair and just make it a lot like prettier, especially if you have straight hair, I feel like this would be so good to use on like super straight, sleek hair. Oh my god, it smells good. Let's just add a bit of that. Oh, yes, love that. Let's go ahead and speed through this next layer of hair. Okay, now that my hair is fully curled, it looks very poodly. And that's not really the look we're going for. So I'm gonna go back in with the Argan Oil of Morocco hairspray, and I'm going to spritz the top layer. So the reason I'm styling my hair on Sundays is because I always like to wash my hair at night, and so washing my hair last night, styling it today, it's gonna last me like 3 days, and I don't really wash my hair that often, so if I can style my hair the day after I wash it, that just makes my life so much easier because then it's done, and this style will last a long time. I personally love using oils on styles like this where I just want to hydrate my ends, and I do this throughout the week. I also do this before I blow dry as well. I love applying oil all the time, and so I just like to run a little bit into the ends and just like through the curls. Again, it adds a little bit of shine, it hydrates the ends, which is always like my driest area, and so having this in just a very convenient little bottle makes it a lot easier. There we go. That is my completed hairstyle for the next 3 days or so. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my hair care routine when I want my hair to last, but also stay hydrated and shiny and just smelling really good. So I will have all of the OGX Argan Oil of Morocco products down below. I know probably a lot of you have tried the shampoo and conditioner, but if you haven't tried any of the styling products from them or from this line, highly encourage you do so because I really love them, and I cannot get enough of the smell of everything in this collection. So if you have the chance, definitely smell some products and try them out for yourself. Again, links down below. Let's move on with the rest of the video. Typically on Sundays, we like to take a bit of time together to do some cleaning and tag team it so it goes by a little bit quicker and we can actually enjoy our weekend and our evening. And so today we needed to kind of tidy up the kitchen. Cody was on garbage duty, so he's gathering all of the garbages from our various rooms, getting that together and then taking that down with the recycling. I wanted to focus on like wiping down the counters and decluttering them as well, because throughout the week we pull out a lot of different food things and just things that we end up leaving on the counter which don't need to be because we have a huge pantry, so we can just put it in there and kind of minimalize the counter. And even though it will end up getting messy again, it's nice to restart it at the beginning of the week, and doing that on Sundays. I also decided to clean our stainless steel because it had been a minute since I had done that, so I wanted to give everything a quick little shine. It really doesn't take that long, but it makes a big difference in the overall look of the kitchen and its cleanliness, so I like doing that step to refresh everything and make it shiny. On this Sunday in particular, we weren't trying to do any deep cleaning of any sort. We just kind of wanted to refresh the space, and so we did the kitchen. I also refreshed the living room, chommed the couch because there's always cat hair on it, so I wanted to remove it from that. It's one of my favorite cleaning things to do, so I like to do that when I'm not going to be pulling out the vacuum. I also wiped down the coffee table, rearranged that, put in a load of laundry that basically had our towels from the week and our pillowcases that you guys saw me take off earlier. I also like to put out new kitchen towels at the beginning of the week. It just makes me feel super clean and I like switching it up. Once all of the cleaning was pretty well done, I decided to go outside and sit down for a bit. My plan was to sit and edit some Instagram pictures, but Snicks joined me and he didn't let me do any work. He just wanted to cuddle, and he does not sit still when he's in these cuddly moods, as you guys can see. It is so cute. I can't believe I caught this on video. Look at his little paw. Oh my god, he's so cute. He loves sitting and cuddling outside, and so I just kind of enjoyed that for what felt like a very long time, but you know, felt really nice. What a Sunday treat for me to cuddle with Snicks. And then I came inside and just folded some laundry that we had already done. And that's about it for cleaning today. Well, into the evening now. We actually got a lot of cleaning done today, which I feel really good about, and the kitchen is looking fresh and clean, so we're gonna leave it that way. We decided to come and pick up dinner, and we're gonna go to the beach. And for dinner, we decided to get poke bowls, pokey, let me know how you say it down below, bowls, because I'm eating gluten-free and dairy-free right now, and so takeout options are a little bit more limited, but this place, Pacific Poke, is really good. So we're gonna grab that. It was a pretty ugly day weather-wise earlier, but the sun has come out a little bit, so it'll be nice to see what the beach looks like. Hopefully it's not too busy. It is quite a bit later now. It's like 8 o'clock, 7:30. And yeah, so we're gonna go to the beach after.
Got the poke.
The poke. Yeah. I'm hungry. I'm excited. o'clock now and I just finished up my skincare routine. Felt so good to take everything off. If you haven't seen the IGTV video I just posted of like my nighttime skincare routine for acne, go check that out if you're interested. I do have a face mask on right now and I'm going to enjoy a dairy-free ice cream bar. These are so good. They're by the brand So Delicious and they're the salted caramel dipped cashew ice cream bars, and we got them at Costco and they're so flipping good. So I'm gonna go and enjoy this, probably sit on the couch and chill, and we'll probably end up watching Below Deck. It's a reality show about being on yachts and I am obsessed. It's like my favorite new show. I can't get enough of it. We're like 3 seasons in and I'm obsessed. So if you like reality TV, definitely check that one out. It's not new, but it's really good. Also too, a huge thank you to OGX for sponsoring today's video. I will have links to everything down below that I previously used, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.